Welcome everyone, here is how you add your Google Calendar to the Apple Calendar app. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up the Settings app. From here you're going to scroll all the way down until you see Calendar. From here you should see Accounts. If you do not see Accounts, you have an older iPhone, so I'll cover this here. On the older iPhone, go to Settings. You're going to find Passwords and Accounts, Add Account, and then you'll be brought to this view. When we tap on the accounts here, Add Account, you can see we are now at the exact same page on both devices. So from here, you just want to tap on Google and sign in with your Google account, and then you will have your Google Calendar synced. But one more thing, open up the Calendar app, tap on Calendars, and just make sure under the Google email, the calendars you have are ticked so that the calendar will actually show up. So if you have any more questions, there is this Google Calendar website here. Okay, however, I really should have covered everything. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.